Hi there guys, norok bahai tongbai. I hope norok kaham no tongna. Ang tin nong ni bagay video kwtal tubui phayuka. Kokborok 2 speaking English lesson 2 hingga himni nailegena. Ang sai manu I know. Obo sabni kolom nang saidaman. Do you know whose pen is this? Nang Ruby no tu sini. Do you know Ruby? Ang Ruby no sini wo. Yes, I know Ruby. Ang lasiwo. I feel shy. My desaka. Did you have your food? Hisayaku. No, I did not have my food yet. Tamo by my saka. With what curry you had your food? My sanada. Will you have or eat food? Ang tabuk my saya. I will not have food now. Ang ulo sanai. I will eat later on. My sai thangdi. Have food and go. My sai tongo. I am having food. My sai paiguna. Let me finish eating. Tamo nai. What do you want? Tasadi. Don't tell. Ani samung kaisa khaida manu. Can you do a little work for me? Tamo nang. What do you need? Nang yakunu. No need or no thanks. Bufuru thangnai. When are you leaving? Nung tamo ano miss call mari. Why did you give me miss call? Ang miss call dia. No, I did not give any miss call. Nini bosong tamo. What's your surname or title? Nini kok ang bujia. I cannot understand your language. Nung English da man. Do you speak English? Nung English da buji. Do you understand English? English hadi. Speak in English. Hambai norok no ani video saknai tongma bagui norok ani video chajakhe please like share comment khadi ang norok ni bagui tebe video kwtal tubui phai tongo norok naina muchungkhe ani channel no subscribe khadi hambai.